Hello everyone, I am Dr. Vandana Kale, Assistant Professor of Instrumentation Engineering Department, AISSMS IOIT Pune. In this session, we will discuss about logic gates, their types, symbols, truth tables, and Boolean expressions. For this session, I have used the study material that is provided by NPTEL online certification course. The course is Digital Electronic Circuits by Professor Gautam Shah, Indian Institute of Technology, Kharagpur. In this session, we will see the different types of gates, that is NOT gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOR gate, NAND gate. To start, first we will see NOT gate, which is also called as inverter. This is the symbol of NOT gate, like a triangle and one bubble in front of the triangle. This NOT gate, it is having single input, that is A is the input and Y is the output. Its Boolean expression is Y is equal to A complement, which can also written as Y is equal to A dash. Truth table of NOT gate is when the input A is having logic level low, that is L, output Y is having logic level high, that is H, and vice versa. IC 7404 is NOT gate IC, which internally consists of 6 NOT gate. Below this, we can see the timing diagram. So if we consider the first NOT gate, which is having input at pin number 1 and which produces output at pin number 2. So if we look at pin number 1, the signal, when the signal is at logic level low, at that time the output produced at pin number 2 is at logic level high. And when the input is at logic level high, output is at logic level low. It means output is complement or inverted version of the input. Here we can see the TTL, that is transistor logic diagram of NOT gate. Now we will see the second type of gate, that is AND gate. The symbol of AND gate is given here. It is having two inputs A and B and output is Y. The Boolean expression is given Y is equal to A dot B. Here this AND gate, it is having three inputs, that is A, B, C, and output is Y. The truth table of AND gate is given. A, B, C are the three inputs and Y is the output. So from this truth table, we can say, and when all the inputs given to the AND gate are at logic level 1, that is high, in that case only the output produced by AND gate will be at logic level 1. IC 7408 is AND gate IC. Internally, it consists of 4 AND gates, and the timing diagram is shown over here. Similarly, the TTL logic circuit diagram of AND gate is shown here. The next gate is OR gate. Here we can see the symbol of OR gate using two inputs, that is A and B, and again using three inputs, that is A, B, C. The Boolean expression of the OR gate using two inputs is Y is equal to A or B, and in case of three inputs, the output Y is given by Y is equal to A or B or C. This is the truth table of OR gate using three inputs. So from this truth table, we can say when all the inputs present at the OR gate are having logic level low, in that case, output produced by the OR gate is at logic level low, that is 0. If one of the input is at logic level 1, in that case, OR gate will produce output at logic level 1. IC 7432 can be used as OR gate. It is having internally 4 OR gates. The timing diagram and TTL logic diagram of OR gate are shown here. The next gate is NOR gate. If we look at the symbol of NOR gate, then it is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. So OR gate having one bubble at the output side, it represents NOR gate. This is the truth table of NOR gate. In case of NOR gate, when all the inputs are 0, then output produced by the NOR gate is at logic level 1. And if one of the input is at logic level 1, then output produced by the NOR gate is at logic level 0. IC 7402 is NOR gate IC, which internally consists of 4 NOR gates. The Boolean expression of NOR gate is Y is equal to A or B whole complement. Using De Morgan's first theorem, this expression can be written as Y is equal to A complement dot B complement. The next gate is NAND gate. As in case of NOR gate, we have seen it is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. Similarly, NAND gate, it is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. If we look at its truth table, then when all the inputs are present, in case of NAND gate, that is when all the inputs are at logic level 1, in that case, output produced by the NAND gate is 0, and in the remaining states of the inputs, the output is at logic level 1. IC 7400 is NAND gate IC, which internally consists of 4 NAND gates. The Boolean expression of the NAND gate is given by Y is equal to A dot B whole complement. Using De Morgan's second theorem, this expression can be written as Y is equal to A complement or B complement. Now we will see the concept of universal gate, AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate. These gates can be realized or implemented using NOR NAND gates. That's why NOR NAND gate are called as universal gates. If we look at these diagrams, in the first diagram, it is having NOR gate, and a single input A is given to both the input terminals of NOR gate, and the output produced is complement of the input. So this NOR gate, when it's both the inputs terminals are made common and same input is given to them, In that case, this NOR gate, it is acting like a NOT gate. So NOT gate can be implemented using NOR gate in this manner. Similarly, AND gate can be realized or implemented using NOR gate if the connections are made in this way using two NOR gates. And again, AND gate can be realized using NOR gates in this way if we do the connections. Again, if we look at the below diagrams, NAND gate can be used so as to implement or so as to realize NOT gate, then AND gate, OR gate, and these are the circuit diagrams. So in this way, NAND, NOR gate, they can be used for the realization of AND or NOT gates. That's why these gates are called as universal gates. So this is all about different types of gates, their truth tables, their symbols, Boolean expressions. Thank you.